Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be making jambalaya pasta with a bit of twist. Tastes super delicious. You're going to love it. So if you love content like this, you should definitely watch to the end. So let's get cooking, guys. Over here we have our pasta. I'll be using spaghetti and our tomato pepper mix. Then we have shrimps, and then we have shredded turkey, and then we have our seasoning. I'll be using some seasoning cubes, salt, and some Italian spice. Lastly, we have our sausages, and then onion, ginger, and garlic paste. And our jambalaya pasta is ready. Tastes super delicious. You should definitely try this. And that's a wrap, guys. If you watch this video to the end, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, and I'll see you in my next one.